of the way because we could have been there too. So my brothers and my sisters that's standing up with us, that's saying "nous pas d'accord." You don't have to be Haitian to say "nous pas d'accord," because remember, this is the country in 1804 that said no more slavery, and we're gonna rise up and say no more raping, no more kidnapping of our children. We just need our freedom, and please stand with us. We welcome you, but we're not gonna go for the control of our country anymore. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.
Nous pas d'accord, nous pas d'accord, nous pas d'accord, nous pas d'accord.
Whoa! That is. I'm going to have to say some stuff in Creole because we do have Haiti, France, Canada, Martinique, all watching right now. That's right. So, that is. Nous pas oublier. Diaspora haïtien pas oublier. Nous campons pour. Nous commençons New York, tout notre pays nous campons tout. Comme nous pas d'accord et nous disons en Haïti, nous campons pour nous pas oublier, nous là nous lever voir nous pour. So, Mercedes, thank you, and I know all the great work you're doing. Keep it up. We need you. That's right.
Yes.
We have with us a very special person that already did this fight. In his country, the same thing was happening. And Ambassador Malik stood up and he did something about it. So Ambassador, he is International Human Rights Commission at the UN.
Thank you so much, Mimi. In the name of God, the most merciful, the most beneficent. My name is Ambassador Malik Nadeem Abid, and I am the Secretary General of the International Human Rights Commission. Let me share with you why I'm here today and why I should not have been here. Today is the 16th day of Ramadan and I've been fasting 16th day. But when I heard from Mimi that she's hosting this rally, I said I must go there because for the last 3 months I feel pain of my brothers and sisters in Haiti.
That's right.
And does not matter if my skin color is little different or my place of birth is different than Haiti. We are all human beings, and what's going on in Haiti, if anyone does not feel the pain, this person is not a human being. Unfortunately, the government of Haiti at this time is not interested to resolve these issues. I have personally reached out to Haitian ambassador to the United Nations. On April 6th, I wrote him a letter and I called him personally. And before that, I also wrote a note to the previous ambassador, Patrick, that we want to help Haiti. Let us know. We are not asking for any money or any resources or any reward. We want to do it because you are going through the same pain and suffering like my people are going through in Kashmir. I am a Muslim and I'm not afraid of dying. Let me explain you what my people are going through in Kashmir and what your people are going through in Haiti now. A young man goes out of his home to work, does not have a guarantee of coming back alive. A young girl, 10, 12 or 13 years old, goes out to school. Her parents don't have the assurance that this young girl will come back alive. What kind of society or what kind of country is this which does not feel the pain of its own people? What kind of president is this who does not respond to my offer that Mr. President, I want to come and help you. I want to bring help from United Nations. I want to bring help from the private sources. He does not answer me. What kind of prime minister is this? What kind of prime minister is this who does not